It's like Looney Tunes, like you're so blind you walk off a cliff and you don't fall. Like you're so like unaware that even when you walk off a cliff you don't fall. We're both blind, we're in it together. Oh my god. No! Dude! Ah!
There's a car right there!
Who put that there?
Dude!
It's going faster, isn't it?
I think the battery's dying.
Oh, I guess I'm not getting store credit. Free hug. Oh. Time and I
Get in here, bro.
We'll do a distant hug. There you go.
But he literally waited until the freaking battery died. McDonald's always tastes better than it sounds.
People always call it like McDumpsters.
Uh-huh.
But like it's so good though. McNasties.
Can I have some napkins? Do you like that? Can I get a McWater, please? say, where's your McBathroom? We gotta have him do that. Go to McDonald's, have Elliot, you go up to the employees and say, I gotta take a McPoop. Where's your McBathroom? Elliot, I cannot wait to have you do that.
I can say, I need to go to the McPee.
And then you come back to the counter and say, can I have a McWater? Can I have a McStraw?
Can I have a
I gotta take a McPoop. Where's your McBathroom? Drive by Dakin Dairy Farms, maybe get some chocolate milk. Oh dude, my day just got better. You know what? It's okay that the sky's gray. And Reese's and chocolate milk?
Yeah, you can dip the Reese's in the chocolate milk. You're like an overload.
How may I help you?
I'll get an Oreo McFlurry.
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do?
Yes.
What do you mean?
We do have Oreo McFlurries.
Okay. No thank you then.
I'm sorry, what?
And never mind. Never mind. Just cancel that order. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. We should go on trampoline. You should skateboard off that roof.
I should put the wheelbarrow on top and do it.
Push you off. Do you think you could fit down the chimney? Do you think you could stand on one foot in the center of the fire, Gus?
I think so.
I remember when we were in the hurricane and like
I don't remember a whole lot.
the water is flooding this drainage pipe and then I'm like guys, jump in there. And you're like, oh yeah. Dude, because the river was like rushing.
Pissed off at you for every little thing that I did, you made fun of me.
Because you should jump in. Sorry guys, I'm just clearing my throat.
Sorry, guys. Sorry. You're right there.
It's just clear my throat.
the softest throat clear in the world.
Sorry guys, I was just clearing my throat.
Dude, you gotta go.
Sorry guys, I was just clearing my throat. Clear my
Hey, do you know where a blank piece of paper is?
I feel like he's naked. I'm ready to go. I got a helicopter eyewitness.
I'm taking Gus out on a date today. Like your butt. You should run on the runway and streak.
Did I
I might get in
Just
trouble.
like in that like concert with your clothes on and just like,
Oh, you should run out there in your dress like, wait! Wait
for me, honey.
Like for the next plane that's taking off, you're like trying to wait, honey. Wait!
Like, Billy would bite all the boiled potato peanuts, spit them back in there. They're all crunched up. I'm like, every time I get one, I'm like, why is it so smushed up and already, dude? And I didn't realize that
He was already
he's already cracking up laughing. He's sucking all the juice out of them all. And I'm like, what the heck, dude? I didn't even know what was going on until I realized he was spitting them back in the cup. Oh, yeah.
you got that cooler, bro? Beer?
No, nothing for you.
Not for me, huh? Hey, hopefully not for you because you need to be on a diet, fat boy.
At least I got all my teeth.
You got my
Yeah, that's why you're walking, buddy. Keep it going.
You just let him have it. At least help up my teeth.
I mean, he was missing like half of them, so he went for my obvious feature. I went for his. Tooth for
Tooth for tooth. Eye for an eye, tooth for tooth.